Why won't you answer me? Hello? This is your cell phone. What, do you think you're just not gonna answer me? You keep me in your pocket like I'm some dirty little... Why won't you answer me? I'm not gonna ring forever, pal. And when I'm done ringing, that's it. You can say goodbye.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, good morning. Thank you, please. Your telephone is ringing. Please pick up. It is most important. Please. Thank you, please. Goodbye. Thank you. Hello.
An idiot is calling.
Sorry, but no one's available to answer your call at this time. If you'd like to leave a message, please wait for the beep. Then press pound, press 3, then dial your name. Then press 6 and dial your number. Then press star, press 69, ask for extension 4443, then leave your name and message. If you want to leave your number and the time you called, please press star twice. Bark like a dog, spin in a circle, press 1 26 times, and wait for the beep. And thanks for...
Greetings. I want to play a game. You have 30 seconds to answer your cell phone. If you don't, you will have to listen to a boring voicemail and call that person back and probably leave them a boring voicemail.
Ring, 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 ring. Your phone is ringing. Pick up your phone. If you do not pick up your phone, you will be fucking exterminated. You can't pick up your fucking phone. Exterminate! 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 You can't!
We interrupt what you're watching right now to bring you this exciting story. Your cell phone is actually ringing. On behalf of the flight crew, we would like to thank you for riding with us. And we would like you to take this moment to check your surroundings and answer your phone.
Ring, 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 fucking ring, 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 fucking ring, ring, fucking ring, cunt, ring, 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 fucking ring, cunt, ring, cunt, ring, fucking cunt, cunt.
Warning! Warning! The person calling you is a cunt. The person calling you is a cunt. An absolute cunt is calling you now. A cunt, a complete cunt, and nothing but a cunt wants to talk to you. Do not pick up, because if you do, you will be talking to a cunt.
Well, fuck my cunt, I've only got a message.
You bloody fucking phone is fucking ringing, bastard! Listen now, you bloody phone is telephone fucking ring. Bloody hell, pick your fucking phone up, you bastard motherfucking cunt. Your bloody telephone, a bloody fucking ring, bastard.